For question 12, given that our function is a piecewise function, then we need to find the limit for the function when x approaches 1 from the left-hand side and approaches 1 from the right-hand side. Then we have to determine whether the limit for the x approaches 1, is it exists? Then give your answer. So first of all, we're going to draw out our interval here since we get our piecewise function. So we have to very clear for 1, less than 1 is a function of 1 plus ex. So for x equals to 1 at this point, the value is 1. And then for x more than 1, the function is 2 minus x. So as we want to find the limit of our function when x approaches 1 from the left-hand side, the function that will be going to selected here will be 1 plus ex. So limit for x approaches 1 from the left-hand side, the function here will be 1 plus ex. Then we try to substitute our x equals to 1. So we can get the answer 1 plus e to the power of 1. So 1 plus e. So that will be our limit from left-hand side. And then we try to solve our limit from right-hand side. So for 1, right-hand side function will be 2 minus x. When it approaches 1 from the right-hand side, so for this domain, the function is 2 minus x. We try to substitute our limit here as 2 minus 1 will be equals to 1. So we can notice that left-hand side limit and right-hand side limit doesn't give us to the same result. So we can conclude that this limit of a function when x approaches 0.1 does not exist. So we answer the question first, whether this limit exists or not. We can answer limit for the function when x approaches 1 does not exist. Give your reason. The reason is the left-hand side limit does not same with the right-hand side limit. So the important things here is when we're doing left-hand side, we have to select our function correctly. So this is our concept and this is our answer. And when we're doing our right-hand side, then this is our answer. So do this exist? Conclusion, they not exist together with the reason because the left-hand side and right-hand side does not exist. So this is for this part.